Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to share my train of thoughts on DNEX stock price action, bearing stock ticker 4456 and how I intend to trade it. So if you're keen to find out, please make sure you watch this video till the end. Full disclosure, I do have an existing position in DNEX stock. In the past, that was about 10 months ago, I did my first video covering DNEX stock where I dug into DNEX fundamental and its forecasted intrinsic value. And if you're keen to watch this video, I shall put the link below here and you may click onto it to watch later. Recently, I have observed the price actions of DNEX stock and I find it to be interesting. If you could see over here, the chart here, see how the DNEX stock price has finally broken out from its long descending wedge. Usually a stock price action could tell us at which level buying interest has stepped in order to accumulate and be ready to push it back up. From the chart here, we could see that DNEX stock started to stop moving downwards further after it has hit its lowest at around 31.5 cents way back on 15th January this year. After that, DNEX stock price has been moving sideways to consolidate, and when this happened, what we could decipher from such stock price movement is that buying interests have definitely stepped in to take in any further selling and manage to stop the selling pressure from pushing the price further downwards. From here, we could say that the market maker seems to have accumulated DNEX stock at an average price range of about 33 to 36 cents. And usually market makers don't intend to accumulate a stock at such a low just to push it up by 5 to 10%. Instead, we could expect a potential surge to around first target price of around 53 cents, where it would form a double top over here. At this level, it will be met with lots of supply. Previous buyers who have got stuck buying into DNEX stock since June last year would be more than willing to let go of their position at break-even level. So this could be the first level where we could look to lock in our profit. And if there is any further upsurge upside, the stock price would need to do some pullback to absorb all the supply at this level before it could move any higher. Though technically, this is what the stock chart pattern is telling me, but the probability of any chart pattern to play out is never 100%. The most is about 70%. So now I need to find out if there will be any positive fundamentals or catalysts present to support such future surge in the price pattern. This is when I found out that MDEC, or the Malaysia Digital Economy Corp, will be introducing a new tax incentive for Malaysia digital status companies and existing multimedia super corridor, or in short form MSC status companies. According to its Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mahathir Aziz, he said that the tax incentive to be announced in May this year, which will be next month, will be for digital initiative in intellectual property and non-intellectual property, and also in the form of investment tax allowance incentive. Under its ecosystem, the Malaysia Digital Initiative looks to promote 9 sectors, namely digital trade, digital agriculture, digital services, digital cities, digital health, digital finance, digital content, digital tourism, and Islamic digital economy. Hence, I foresee that DNEX will stand to benefit from this upcoming announcement of tax incentive, since DNEX is classified under the digital services sector. And the second catalyst I have uncovered would be the near-term anticipation of a surge in the oil and gas prices as a result of war eruptions in the Middle East currently, which I have covered my full train of thoughts on the potential of future price movement of oil in one of my most recent videos entitled War Eruptions, Stock Market Tank, What You Need to Do and Know. I will also put the link of this video below here and you may watch it later if you are keen. So yeah, with these two near-term catalysts in place, the probability of DNEX bullish chart pattern to play out has definitely increased above 70%. But there is also one potential downside risk which I want to share with you if you are currently in DNEX trade or plan to enter into DNEX trade. That is, Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad had by its letter dated 12 March this year resolved to grant the DNEX an extension of time of 6 months from 26 March this year to 26 September this year to complete the private placement exercise. Private placement is one of the ways for public listed companies to raise funds by selling its stock directly to a private investors rather than as part of a public offering. Hence, it has fewer regulatory requirements. As we could see from the article over here, it stated that DNEX plans to raise Malaysia 133.34 million through a private placement of shares amounting to 10% of its total issued shares. The move aims to strengthen its presence in the oil and gas sector, both upstream and downstream. The 10% based on its total issued share capital of RM 1.02 billion as of September 2023, and with the conversion of the outstanding employee share option scheme, the enlarged share count would be approximately 3.22 billion, allowing for the issuance of up to 321.5 million new DNEX shares. Though this private placement was announced in September last year, it has recently gotten extension from Bursa Malaysia to have till September this year to complete the private placement exercise. And from my past observation, the underlying stock price would usually fall back to its private placement fixed price per share. So for example, if DNEX stock share did surge up based on its technical chart pattern anytime next month, that is May, especially upon announcement of the tax incentive for the digital initiative, which include digital services sector, I may look to lock in my profit and not be greedy. This is because just in case if DNEX management has found a private investor and decided to announce its private placement price per share, which is usually a discount of about 10% to its 5 days volume weighted average price, this event would surely bring DNEX stock price back down. So do take note, yeah? This is the end of my sharing for today. If you love the content of this video and have found value in it, do let me know by smashing onto the like button below. Bye, and I shall see you again in my next video.